Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by ensuring Lens sees the right accounts. First, make sure your device has the Google app or Lens updated. This gives the account switch option. Next, open the Google app or Lens directly and tap your profile picture at the top right to view signed-in accounts. Once you see the account list, pause here. We'll select a different account in the next step. This saves time and avoids reinstalling or clearing data later. Now change the active account inside Lens. Tap your profile photo and pick the account you want to use. If it's not listed, choose Add Another Account and complete the sign-in flow, including any two-factor prompts. Make sure permissions for camera and storage are granted to the newly added account so Lens can function normally. Once selected, confirm the profile picture reflects the new account, and try a quick scan to validate. Finish by confirming Lens now uses the intended account and that search history, shopping lists, or translations reflect that profile. If results still show the previous account, force close the app and clear its cache, then reopen and reselect the new account. If you added multiple accounts and conflicts persist, sign out of the unwanted account or remove it from device settings, then re-add only the accounts you need. One tip: enable two-factor authentication and keep recovery info updated to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.